Hey everyone, I'm Kristen. This is my YouTube channel, and I just wanted to thank you for stopping by and checking it out. The House of Kratimer is going to be a really great location for you to get information about all sorts of fun things. First off is bonus mom content. I got married a couple years ago. I have 3 beautiful stepchildren, but we do not refer to them as stepchildren. They're either my children or they're my bonus children. And I am so excited to share kind of some of the things that we've put in place so that our family feels complete and that there's no such thing as step or half, there's just family. I love these kids like they're my own, and I'm so excited to kind of fill a gap in some of the parenting content and really fill in how to step parent, how to bonus parent, and how to make your step/bonus kids feel just like your own. So that's something I'm super passionate about, and that's something that you'll see a lot of on this channel. The channel will also cover things like NASA, which if you have followed my channel or have encountered any of my videos, you know I'm super passionate about. I absolutely love everything that has to do with outer space. Human space travel is such a passion of mine. I adore it. There's so many exciting things happening, like missions to the moon, missions to Mars, and private sector being able to actually go into space and take supplies and astronauts to the International Space Station. So much awesome things happening. I have stories about my past NASA socials that I'm so dying to share with everyone. And so NASA will definitely be part of the content that you can find here at House of Kratimer. Another thing that I'm super excited about is talking about my rabbits. I have 5 rabbits. We have, let's see, 1, 2, 3 hot tots. We have 1 Flemish giant, and we have 1 lion head, and they are just delightful. I'll share tips and tricks about grooming, about food, about enrichment activities, and I'll even share some bunny mama fails because those happen. Even if you've had rabbits as long as I have, even if you've done all your research, mistakes happen, and I love to keep it real. So that's something that I will definitely be going into. There's one video I have in mind that we'll probably get some definite feedback on, but I think it's important to share the good, the bad, and the ugly. So look forward to bunny videos. And then the last thing I really want to touch on, aside from all of that other content and just life updates in general, is writing. The primary focus of this channel previously had been my goal to write a novel. And that's still something that I absolutely am focused on and working on, but it's just taking me a little bit longer with some life changes. So I'm still gonna have some tips, some fails, some successes, some ideas, some writing prompts, all good things when it comes to writing as well, and editing too. I also want to dive into what books I'm reading, what books my kiddos are reading, and just kind of have a great place for parents to come and find out, A, if you're interested in writing, but B, also what some great books for your kids are. So that's what you can expect on my new channel, House of Kratimer. So I really hope that you stick around, watch a few videos, leave a few comments, and I will see you on YouTube. Thanks so much.